America's best-selling vehicle for over 40 years, and this is exactly why it earned that title. LED headlamps cutting through the dusk as the 4x4 system flexes over rocky terrain. Out on the highway, this truck rides Ford's 14th generation platform, refined, still tough as ever. Reversing a boat trailer down the ramp, this thing tows up to 13,500 pounds, best in class. That's the Ford Blue Oval, on America's #1 vehicle since before most of us were driving. Fording a shallow river crossing, the 4x4 hardware handles it without hesitation. These hood lines aren't just style, shaped to cut drag on a truck built for daily miles. LED headlamps lighting a dark rural road, standard on this XLT Super Crew trim. Running boards taking on mud at the job site. Durability standard on every trim level. Chrome mirror housing and door handle catching golden light. Small details on a daily workhorse. Rocker panels pushing through deep mud. The 4x4 system doing real work out here. This 18-inch machined alloy wheel and brake caliper, shown in full technical detail, spin with the truck. All-terrain tires digging into loose gravel, grip built for real off-road capability. Here's the front brake caliper and rotor, up close, stopping power for 13,500 pounds of towing. If you're enjoying the breakdown so far, drop a comment. It genuinely helps the channel.
From above, you see the full footprint of this Super Crew. Cab, bed, built for work, best in class. Spray-in bed liner and tie-down hooks, this truck hits 2,440 pounds payload, best in class. The tailgate step folds down automatically, a small feature that makes loading heavy cargo easier. Under here, the exhaust and rear axle handle whatever the 3.5-liter PowerBoost Hybrid sends through. LED tail lamps glowing red on a wet mountain road, visibility that matters as much as horsepower. Towing a loaded boat trailer up an incline, 13,500 pounds max towing, barely noticed. Powering through a desert wash at speed, the 4x4 system built for exactly this. Let's open the hood and see what's actually powering this thing. This is the 3.5-liter PowerBoost full hybrid V6. 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged EcoBoost V6, 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet, built for everyday power and efficiency. This 10-speed automatic comes standard across every engine option, shifting smoothly under load. Fording a creek, this 2-speed transfer case splits power to all 4 wheels when needed. Independent front coil spring suspension smooths washboard roads. Comfort rare in a truck this capable. These 2-stage variable rate leaf springs help this truck hit a 2,440 pound payload rating. Pro Power Onboard turns this bed into a 7.2 kilowatt generator. Real tools, no extension cord. Step inside the XLT Super Crew, dark gray cloth and leatherette seats, and a 12-inch Sync 4 screen. Column-mounted shifter frees up console space, small but genuinely useful in daily driving.
This digital instrument cluster keeps speed, RPM, and fuel data clean and easy to read. The 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen handles navigation, media, and dedicated off-road drive modes. This is the King Ranch trim, diamond quilted leather chairs, more premium lounge than pickup truck. King Ranch trims get this rotary gear selector, a design touch that feels distinctly upscale. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time. More breakdowns like this coming. Power adjustable pedals let drivers of any height find the right position. A nice thought-out detail. Zero hesitation onto the highway. This thing accelerates with confidence, even fully loaded. Towing a horse trailer through snow, the 4x4 handles winter roads without drama. Cruising the coast at sunset, this truck proves it's just as comfortable as it is capable. This is the Tremor trim, 33-inch all-terrain tires built for trails just like this one. Towing a camper across the desert, this truck was engineered for long-haul, heavy-load trips. 13,500 pounds max towing, 2,440 pounds max payload, official best-in-class numbers right here. The PowerBoost Hybrid delivers 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. Serious power, even in the city. 10-speed automatic, up to 23 miles per gallon combined on the hybrid. Efficient and still capable. Pro Power Onboard delivers up to 7.2 kilowatts from the truck bed, a genuine mobile power station. Routine maintenance on this truck stays refreshingly simple, exactly what you want from a work truck. Starting near $39,245, the XLT trim averages around $50,650 as equipped. Build yours at your Ford dealer. That's the Ford F-150, America's best seller for a very long list of reasons. See you in the next one.